Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Let us solve this one. Let us take this number minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. First of all, find the LCM of this denominator, that is 5 and 2. Find the LCM of 5 and 2. It will divide by 1 only, that is 5 and 2. Therefore, LCM is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. First, make the denominator same, right? You make the denominator same, that minus 2 by 5 can be written as minus 2 by 5 can be written as multiply 5 with 2 and also minus 2 into 2. That is, you are getting minus 4 by 10, right? And this one by 2 can be written as 1 by 2. Make the denominator same, that is 2 can be multiplied with 5, and 1 is also multiplied with 5. That is, you are getting 5 by 10. 5 by 10. But in this case, you see, we not get 10 rational numbers easily, because we get minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. We are getting only 8 rational numbers. Therefore, you have to multiply this by 2 up and down. This number, denominator and denominator by 2 again, that is minus 4 into 2, and this one again by 10 into 2, 10 into 2 to get more rational numbers like 10. Then you are getting minus 4 to the 8 by 10 to the 20. Also multiply this with 2, that is numerator and denominator by 2, that is 5 into 2 and 10 into 2, 10 into 2. Then you are getting 5 to the 10 and 10 to the 20. Now you will get as many as 10 rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20, right? Now, therefore, the 10 rational numbers, therefore the 10 rational numbers, so the 10 rational numbers, rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are between these two rational numbers, that is minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. Minus 8 by 20, then next number is minus 7 by 20, minus 7 by 20. The next number is minus 6 by 20. The next is minus 5 by 20. This is 2. It is right. This is 2. Next one is minus 4 by 20. Next one is minus 5 by 20. Next number is minus 4 by 20. It is minus 3 by 20. That is minus 3. Minus 3 by 20. Minus 3 by 20. Minus 2 by 20. Minus 1 by 20. minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20. Next is 0. Next is 1 by 20. 1 by 20. The next number is 2 by 20. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are getting more rational numbers. Right? Therefore, the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are this one. Right? In this way, you can find more rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.